Hey guys, I'm Proshot. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll talk about Proshot. It is a basic filming app for smartphones. You can have a doubt. How is this app useful for filming? Because I will reveal now itself this option. So it is useful for 21 ratio. 21:9 ratio. So you can see here, you will feel the cinematic bots here and there. You can know, you will get doubt, can we record this thing? So of course guys, you can record this. So you can see here a little red button. If you click that, it automatically starts recording and you can save that. And to change the resolutions, just simply click here and go to video settings. So here it is settings. So you can select the size SHQ and 4K and 30 fps. Guys, this will only support 30 fps, and you can see here it's max to 100 mbps and 750 mb per minute. It is used data, but it is useful. So here is time-lapse settings, so you can set everything here. You can record 4K time-lapse, so you can say you can change that setting. And next thing is light painting. It might come soon, or it will support when your hardware supports. Right now my hardware doesn't support this feature, so you can see this and burst setting. So that's it guys. Let's go to here let's check out these settings. So just click this one and you can get all this. You can click grid or change the camera quality. So let's try to increase this thing. It's okay, it's a pretty basic thing, and you can change all these things. You can have raw material and JPG format also. There are two levels of camera settings. You can change it, you can alternate that thing, it's up to you. Then next thing is, you can see here OIS, which is useful for optical image stabilization. And another thing is histogram, which is basic thing. You can measure colors. And another thing is confirm modify thing. It's okay, let's allow this thing. So you can change the brightness when you allow that. After that, you can change much more guys. You can see a GUI alarm. So GUI settings, and let's pull this thing. So these are main things. And another thing is saved photos can be seen here. So you can see all the settings, and there's a manual mode also guys. So you can see here, you can change these two formats. So 4:11 and 11:1 and continuous. So in this format, let's try to record, but I'm recording in DO, screen recording right now, so I can't record videos. But you can guys, you can record in this format. So this thing helps to shoot filming. It is used for filmmaking guys. If you're a beginner in making film, a cinematographer, this app will definitely help you. So I will leave a link to this in description. You can use that, or you can use third-party sites to download this. It's priced around 199 rupees, which is equivalent to $3 to $4, or it might vary. So another thing is, so is AI, and this thing set to auto. So you will get manual settings also. This is manual. Adjust shutter, exposure, ISO, white balance, and panel program. It is pre-programmed, and you can settings. So custom settings. Your preference custom setting. So let's try manual setting. So here is manual. So auto ISO, white balance, and shutter. But there isn't any focus settings, which we might get this after an update, or your mobile should support that thing. So next thing is auto. Let's make it to auto. So let's try to change this thing. Okay, here you will get what exposure values. So you can change that. So I hope this video helpful too. So if this video helpful too, leave a like, comment and share with your friends. This will help you guys. This only for short filmmakers, so I recommend for you. And if you want to check out my short films, you can check out in video section. Thanks for watching.